Blending fine living with an active lifestyle can be best achieved while living in a premier golf and country club community. What made Florida the golf capital of the world are the many country club communities that are strategically placed throughout the state. A luxurious lifestyle is what's in store for those who acquire real estate at the Longboat Key Club and Resort, located on the Florida barrier island from which it got its name. The club is easily accessible from the city of Sarasota via the John Ringling Causeway. Consisting of 410 acres, the club is a privately owned establishment providing superb golf and tennis facilities, in addition to 5-star amenities in dining, beach access, aquatic facilities, and centers devoted to physical wellness and fitness. Notably, the Longboat Key Club Resort is the only resort with a golf course on any of the barrier islands of Sarasota. There are 6 restaurant options located within the club that provide casual to fine dining opportunities. A romantic dinner can be had at Sands Point, located at the resort center. While dining here, you will enjoy panoramic vistas of the Gulf of Mexico. Sands Point specialties include fresh seafoods and exquisite international cuisine, plus a wide selection of imported and local wines and desserts. Golf privileges are generously extended to members on courses that provide play options on a total of 45 links, meandering through a pristine tropical setting. One layout option is the harbor side and its unique 27-hole design by William Byrd. This beautiful course was renovated in 2005 by another well-known course architect, Ron Garl. The island side layout is the club's second golf course that includes fairways that border the Gulf of Mexico. It is considered to be one of the most spectacular courses in Florida and features fast greens and smooth putting surfaces. In addition to the Longboat Key Club's private golf courses, the club has a private beach where members are provided with complimentary cabanas, umbrellas, and towels. Additional privileges are offered at a modern fitness center, fully equipped with exercise machines and staffed with professional trainers. The resort is also home to the 9,000 square foot Island House Spa. This wellness facility provides therapeutic services, signature beauty product offerings, and access to a private swimming pool. Acquiring a Longboat Key Club residence provides premium amenities not found in other country club or resort developments in this area. What ownership of the Longboat Key Club and Resort offers is a relaxing lifestyle nourished by great club amenities within close proximity to Florida's most fabulous beaches. All these, coupled with the many other social, art, and cultural attractions found in the city of Sarasota, certainly make Longboat Key Club and Resort a platinum choice in the Sarasota area real estate market.